let's learn how to find out which one is the thickest and which one is the thinnest. Meet Tom. Tom wants to pack a book in his bag, but he has a very little space. So, he has to pick between these three books, book A, B and C. First, Tom holds book A. It takes a little space between his fingers. Then he holds book B. It takes some more space than book A. At last, he picks book C. It takes a lot of space between his fingers. Now Tom looks at all the three books and says, book A takes the least space and hence it's the thinnest. Book C takes the most space and hence it's the thickest. Book B is thicker than book A but thinner than book C. It's in between. One more thing Tom noticed. Book C looked smaller from the front, but it was the thickest. So, we don't have to look at the size from the front. We always have to hold this side of the book and feel how much space it takes to find out the thickest one. Now Tom wants to try with another example. He has 3 crayons, red, blue and yellow. First he holds the blue crayon. It takes very little space. And then yellow crayon. It takes a bit more space. Finally he holds the red crayon. This one takes the most space. So Tom says red crayon is the thickest and blue crayon is the thinnest. Yellow crayon is somewhere in between. Now remember, when we compare many things, the one that takes the most space between your fingers or your hands is the thickest. And the one that takes the least space is the thinnest. Now it's your turn to try it out at home. Try to compare between many things and find out the thickest and the thinnest. Bye-bye.